In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone emails in Aweber. Cloning is a quick way to reuse a well-designed email without rebuilding it from scratch, so it's perfect for recurring newsletters, announcements, or seasonal campaigns. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Aweber. When the results appear, click the official Aweber site. To be sure you're in the right place, look for a secure connection indicator in the address bar and the familiar Aweber branding before moving forward. On the homepage, click Sign In. Enter your login details as you normally would. For security, it's always a good idea to sign in on a private network and enable two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Next, head to the Messages section. This is where your emails live, whether they're drafts you're working on or messages you've already sent. Within Messages, select Drafts. The Drafts area is where you'll find all emails that haven't been sent yet, including templates you're actively refining. If you don't immediately see the email you're after, try sorting by date or scanning by subject line. Now, find the email you want to clone. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct version, maybe the one with the layout, images, or copy you'd like to reuse. You don't need to open it to make a copy, just locate it in the list. Look to the right of the message title for the Copy button. It's the icon that looks like two overlapping squares. Depending on your screen size, you might need to hover over the email row for the icon to appear. Click that Copy icon once. Aweber will immediately duplicate the email for you. You'll see the duplicate appear at the very top of your drafts list with Copy added to the subject line. That's your confirmation that the clone was successful. Your original email stays exactly as it was, and the copy inherits the same design, text, images, and links, so you can work from a reliable starting point. This is especially helpful for maintaining consistent branding and layout across messages. As a best practice, rename the copy right away to something descriptive so it's easy to identify later and avoid confusion. And that's it. To recap, open your browser and go to Aweber, sign in, navigate to Messages, choose Drafts, find the email you want, click the overlapping squares copy icon, and your cloned version will appear at the top with Copy in the subject. This simple workflow saves time and keeps your content consistent across campaigns.